Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to copy or get Twitter profile link. So X, formerly known as Twitter. So if you want to get a profile link on it, then here's a video for you. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the X application on your phone. Once you open the X application, click on the profile button at the top left. Once you selected it, locate and click on profile. Then once you selected your profile, then click on the three dots at the top right. Go ahead and click on share. Once you selected share, then it should say your X or Twitter profile link, then go ahead and copy it. Once you copy it, you see copy to clipboard. Now, if you go to any messaging app or messenger or any platform, just go ahead, paste the copy link, then you should see your X account. However, if you want to trim out this particular X or Twitter username, just go ahead, delete the letter behind your X username. So just go ahead, delete to make it more clean. So delete it, and then you are good. You can now go ahead and send it. You see that? So if anyone clicks on this particular link, it's going to open your profile on X. So that's exactly how to copy or get Twitter or X profile link. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.